Okay, so provided you've done the preparation, you're ready to move on to the transmitter installation. And we're going to start by mounting the wall unit to the wall. We've got to open this front door, so we have to loosen these bolts first. Okay, the door is open. We want to tighten these bolts to the wall. And we're going to remove the power supply plate. Be careful you don't get a shock. And you can remove the plate. Have a wire ready. Loosen the ground lug and attach the ground. Tighten that. Okay, to land this, you're going to put it into the terminals and tighten the terminals down and put it back in. Now I'll say that both neutrals that you see here are tied together and both live terminals are tied together. So you could pick any pair. It doesn't matter which pair you use for AC or DC. The power supply will figure out what you've hooked up to it. Now, as far as the gland goes, this is an M20 thread. So you're going to either use a gland or an NPT adapter in the threaded holes. And that goes for whichever ones you use on the bottom here. Now you can put your plate back on, tighten it down, and next you're ready for the programming. But we'll pick that up in another video.